Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
Britney Spears' Femme Fatale showcase at the Palms Rain Nightclub. Let's see. Is that her album, Femme Fatale?
I believe so.
I think so too. You're right. Yep. Good catch. Very good.
Too strong, hate to say, but you're winning, and the play.
She's live, isn't she? I think she's live.
I don't know.
I think she's live.
So come here, a little closer, wanna whisper in your ear.
Could you hear that as she breathes in? I think she's live. You're a queen singing live.
I don't hold it against her.
Really?
No.
Just how you feel. Listen, my heart is beating loud. If we could have would you hold it against me?
How long ago was this? Because the makeup is giving me throwback, girlies.
Really? 2 months ago.
2 months ago? No way.
Posted 2 months ago, yeah.
Then our girls in our generation are still doing the same makeup routine.
Recorded twice for Britney's MTV I Am the Femme Fatale TV special. Oh. So this is, I guess, for MTV? Huh? I'm
I don't
confused.
know.
But it is August 2024. I don't know.
I don't know. I think this is a throwback.
Okay. I don't know what to say.
Because I follow Britney, I haven't seen her posting of her practices or anything like that.
So you think she's not currently performing? Is that what you're saying?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe. I can see it.
And why this album?
I can see when this was. When I was typing the showcase. No, but I think she's live.
Oh.
You don't think she's live?
Oh, I don't know.
You don't?
I never really think about it too much if she's live or not.
I wouldn't think so either. But you said she's the queen of lip syncing.
She is.
So now I have to.
That's why she gives.
That's why I have to now see if she's live or not.
But the others, they can't do that.
If I could escape this time somehow, if I said I want your body now,
Would you hold it against me?
paradise and any other vacation tonight.
No, Rachel, I think this was in August because, like, even I can't
Really?
find the date, but I found some sort of forums, everybody posting about it in August. August 15th, there's a lot of posts about it.
Wow, that's interesting. I wonder why this album then.
I think this is when, I don't know.
I didn't see her practicing.
But the people's receptions are not good.
Why?
They're saying she was uninterested and then unenthusiastic. I mean, people kind of forget her age a little bit too. She's no longer 20-year-old Britney, so that's, you know.
I'm trying to pull up, see.
That's so interesting.
If I said I would you really face me?
I mean, she's doing good. Like, what else did you want
I
from
kind of
her?
feel too. I feel like this is a solid performance, not
Yes.
considering her age. I feel this is good. I don't know why.
How old do you think Britney is?
40s, no?
I think so.
Yeah, so I mean, you know, in 40s you can't dance like you used to in the 20s. The knee's not the same. I mean, what you want to do? And I do strongly believe that she is alive. So considering that she's live, that's big kudos to her. Especially if she didn't sing live earlier in her career. So that's, to me, that's even more impressive.
She's 42.
42? Mm-hmm. That's kind of what I thought.
I think she's doing a great job. If I say I want your body now,
Would you hold it against me?
I think she looks great. Given everything she's gone through in life, oh my god.
Yeah, I think
Please.
so too.
Please.
I think that's why she is doing this performance, because didn't she just gain the freedom?
Yeah.
So I think this is kind of like,
Britney on her own terms.
right, self-empowering
Yeah.
moment for her.
Paradise, and I need a vacation tonight. Would you hold it against me? Aw, she's smiling.
Once again, Britney Spears.
DJ Polly D.
Wait, so she, is that part of her residency? Because it's in Vegas.
Yeah.
She's still a resident?
I don't know.
I don't know this song.
I don't know this one either. I don't know this one. I never thought I would say that.
You never thought you would say the No Britney song?
because I know all her music.
Apparently all minus one.
Wow.
Fake fan.
No. Do you know the song Good Hop? Oh, wait, this is a remix, so give me more. She's singing?
Hard to tell because the instrumentals are very loud on this one, so I'm not sure on this one. I mean, we'll see how copyrighted the video gets. If every 10 seconds is muted, then I'll know. You guys know she wasn't singing live, but the first song I really felt like she was singing live.
I feel it's a remix of so many songs. Let's go.
But it's an appropriate song for the club, though. It is giving very much club vibe with the song.
But I could feel like the energy, the crowd's not even hype. It's not giving energy either. I think it goes both ways. The crowd not hype enough.
I feel like maybe the crowd not, because I felt like on the first song the crowd was super hyped because just seeing all the girls, I felt like I was kind of guessing their age. They would have grown up on that music, so it's like such an iconic moment. This song, however, I don't know how popular the song is. It just kind of seems like it seems the crowd doesn't know the song. That's why the crowd is not vibing.
Are we all looking at each other?
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Y'all better get ready for the kick drum. Y'all better get ready for the kick drum. It's a kick drum. Come and get some. The sound is rocking your system. When a pound of
Let me see. Big Fat Bass.
It is giving. I don't know this one.
I think that's the song with Big Fat Bass on Femme Fatale Deluxe Edition.
I don't remember this one. But shout out to Will I Am. I wonder if this was like a one-day thing, or this was part of like a residency.
No idea, but it's set for MTV, so it must be special occasion.
Was it already on MTV?
I don't know.
I do feel like there's a lot going on in this stage, and we kind of lose Britney.
Yes, the stage is very elaborate.
Yeah.
And so for a club performance, it is a pretty impressive staging. I gotta say though, considering we're at the club, this is pretty impressive. But your point is valid.
Like, we didn't need another dancer. We could have cut a few of them.
And I think, also what it is, because Britney's wearing black, the dancers have so much color. You kind of are drawn more to dancers than to her. She blends in the background wearing black. And this dancer is really stealing the show right now. And that dancing is incredible. God damn.
Lost Florida Medicaid? Healthcare.gov is here for you. With the new law, 4 out of 5 customers.
I don't know why this video is like cut and I guess. I don't know.
Maybe not this one.
Yes.
We got an outfit change. I like her backups outfits too. They look cute.
Okay, this song is definitely a playback. She doesn't even have a mic.
She forgot to put it on. Oh Lord. She forgot to put it on.
I don't see the mic.
Maybe she forgot to put it on. Sicker than the remix.
Hold on.
I'm telling you, she's the only person to get away with this. Only person who could get away with this. Everyone else getting dragged.
No, this one is a track. This one she's definitely not singing.
But she could lip sync though.
I feel like the camera is purposefully not zooming in on her face because I'm trying to get a look at the face and I can't really because.
Try one more time.
see how far we are? Can't fucking see it. I mean, the crowd is pretty turned up on the song. Kind of what I was saying. The middle song, maybe not so popular song, so people are looking confused. But this one's a big hit, so people are vibing out.
Oh, she does.
Oh, it's lower.
Yeah.
It blends in with her chin, but she does have it. Okay. Because before it was high, it was kind of like by the lip. Now it's like right here. Okay.
What is this saying?
Unless she moved it because there was too much breathing in the first. Because the first one, why I said she was singing, I really felt her breathe in. So maybe like they told her, oh, too much breathing, so that's why she moved it down. And now if she's still singing, it's just no breathing there. Because I do not hear breathing now. That's why I don't think she's singing live.
I hate this.
This before on the floor, what you waiting for? Oh, 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 oh,
oh. There's no Gen Zs here, okay?
Oh no, this is all millennials.
This is grown people.
Yeah, Gen Z probably don't know what the song this is.
She's doing great.
Yeah, I think considering her age, this is a really good performance, and she has phenomenal backup dancers because those dancers are really good. Yeah, I liked it. I felt it was a good performance. The middle part, maybe the middle song,
confusing.
was wrong song choice. I feel she has so many iconic songs, and to
She
pick a
has the
non-iconic song for this performance,
Or if she
it
wanted
was
to do a medley, she could have done it better than that.
yeah, it was strange to pick a non-iconic song for that. But the first two were really dope. I liked it.
Guys, of course, let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord, and as always, share as much kindness as possible.